I wasn't going to talk in this video because I didn't know whether people liked me talking, so let me know in the comments if you enjoy me narrating stuff, and maybe in the future I'll shut my mouth and just record stuff. But with this, I've had like a creative block, and when I put this rim in the paint remover, I had an idea of doing something like this but just on a bigger scale. However, upon thinking of it, I just thought it's just going to look stupid just because of the size of it. It would be absolutely ridiculous. So then I sat there for 2 hours and I've got an idea, which, as I always say, you'll know because you'll have seen the thumbnail, and that is exactly why you clicked on this video, because you saw the thumbnail. But I don't, because I've only just taken the paint off this and I'm about to start building it. So what I want to do now is add these runners on here so that the cable runs over it. That's what runners are for. Not actual running, I'm too fat for that. And what I want to do is mark out a spot to drill through so I can put this rod in, and eventually I'll cut this back bit out. I want to drill it first so it's got some support. And then they'll sit on there. Now let's flatten this. I just realised there's a little crack in this, like in my back. So I'm going to put some glue in there to secure it. It's only the butt anyway, so it should have a crack in it. Well, as you can see, that's sat in there and it protrudes quite a lot, but this is going to be there, and it'll cut a slot out of here now and then slide this along there. And then I do have some steel, I just can't remember where I placed it, and I'll build a little guard around there out of steel, and then I'll have a little cowling over there to stop the arrows from going up into the sky and into my eyeballs probably. So now I need to measure up this so I can cut a slot so that I'll, ooh, you know. I know what you're thinking. How did you cut that slot out? The last time I looked, he was just drawing lines on it. Has he got a magic pen? Well, no. I left the camera here and I forgot, and I went and cut it, and then I was like, I'm supposed to record that. But I thought, I'll just explain it to you all instead, it'll make it easier. And now I'm going to file it, because I cut it slightly under the line. so this slot won't fit. I need to widen the slot. Oh yeah, we're all doing that, aren't we? Not me probably, but other people probably have, I don't know. It's been a while since we spoke, but I'm back. And what I've done is, I was going to do some bolting through there, but I don't want to get in the way of the track. So I've got this little Syvulpie, which is going to sit there, and I'll weld that in and I can put a screw in there. And also I've also designed this guy, which, follow me and I'll show you where it goes. I didn't show it because I was just stacking metal and welding it so it looks like this, and this goes here. Bolt that in, and I'm contemplating, I've put a little gap there, welding that so it's all one unit, and this will just... Still got loads of sanding and stuff to do on the wood. I need to finish off. But I'm going to spray this guy because it'll take a day to cure. So let's continue with that. I've sanded that up to 240 now, and now I'm going to use some gun stock oil because it polymerizes and turns it into like a plastic on it, and it'll be nice and shiny and lovely. Well, I guess now it's time to piece it all together. Now the world is safe from bottles and melons.